Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make left and right lifted increases. First, I will show you the right lifted increase. Work until you get to the place where you want to increase. Now look at the first stitch on your left needle. Use your right needle to pick up the right leg underneath the first stitch. Put the leg on the left needle. Now to increase a stitch, just knit that stitch before you knit the next stitch. I will show you again. Pick up the right leg underneath the next stitch and put it on the left needle. Knit the right leg before you knit the next stitch. Pick up the right leg, put it on the left needle and knit it. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a left lifted increase. Work until you get to the place where you want to increase. This time, look at the first stitch on your right needle. To increase, use the left needle to pick up the left leg that is 2 rounds below the first stitch on your right needle. Next, we knit that stitch through the back loop to increase a stitch. I will show you again. Use the left needle to pick up the left leg that is 2 rounds below the first stitch on the right needle. Knit the stitch through the back loop. For a right lifted increase, we picked up the leg that was 1 round below the first stitch, and for a left lifted increase, we need to pick up the leg that is 2 rounds below the first stitch. That is because the stitches on the right needle have already been worked during this round, so to get the left and the right lifted increases on the same level, we need to make the left lifted increases 1 round below the right lifted increases. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.